Nicholas, show the camera. Explain, just like you told me. How do you make yourself cry?
If someone else is crying because I see something wrong, I start crying because I.
And how do you do it?
I think I scratch up my face like a raisin.
And then you do what?
Just scratch my face and I make tears come out.
Shelly.
Okay, you gotta stop crying. I tried.
Okay, Nick, stop. Stop. Tell the camera you're done. Nicholas.